Hey, if you do not have your board marker and eraser, I need you to pause this video and grab your materials. So in today's mini lesson, we talked about multiplying using our area model using partial products to solve 2 by 2 digit numbers. So our first problem that I want for you to do on your board, I would like for you to write 21 times 25. Now you should have your rectangle ready to go, whether it's a template or you drawing it yourself. So we're going to solve this together. So as I write, I need for you to be writing as well. So the first thing we do is we are finding the value of 21 and the value of the 25. So we're looking specifically at the digits. So we're going to look, and what I like to do is our first number I put on the side, the second number I put on top, just because it works, but it doesn't matter which way. No matter which way you do it, it'll all work out. But this is how I'm going to be solving it. So the first number that we're looking at is 21, and the value of our 2-digit is worth 20 because it's in the tens place. So we're going to write 20, and then plus we're looking at the value of the ones digit, and the value of the ones digit is there are 1. So now we're looking at our number 25. The value of that 2-digit is 20, so we're going to write 20, and the value of our 5-digit is worth 5. So now we're simply going to follow the placement of our number. So this one, we have 20 times 20. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So we're going to write down a 4. And how many zeros are in our problem, 20 times 20? The answer to that is 2. So let's write down 2 zeros. So this first box in the top left should be 400. Now we're going to follow 20 down, 1 across. So 20 times 1, anything times 1 equals itself, right? So 20 times 1 equals 20. Now we're looking down and over. So our problem here is 5 times 20. So we're looking at our basic fact problem. 2 times 5 equals 10. So let's write down our 10. And how many zeros are in our problem? There's 1 more 0, so we put down a 0. Now finally, our last box, we have 5 times 1 equals 5. Now our final step, we're going to add our partial products. So we should be writing out 400 plus 100. And I like to just put my numbers in order from greatest to smallest. That way I'm making sure that I'm lining up my place values. Plus 20 plus 5. We add it all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the answer to 21 times 25 equals 525. For our next problem, I want for you to please write on your board 16 times 14. I would like for you to pause this video and go ahead and solve 16 times 14 using our area model with partial products. Go ahead and go. So now that you've gone ahead and solved, let's go ahead and double check our answers. So let's set up our problem. So the value of our 1-digit is worth 10, and the value of our 6-digit is worth 6. The value of our 1-digit for 14 is 10. The value of our 4-digit is worth 4. So now we're going to multiply 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 we should know equals 100. Check your rectangle, make sure there's a 100 here. Then we have 10 times 6, that's another basic fact. 10 times 6 equals 60. Then we have 4 times 10, another basic fact, that equals 40. And 4 times 6 equals 24. So now we're going to add our partial products together. We have 100 plus 60 plus 40 plus 24. And when we add that all together, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Carry our 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer to 16 times 14 equals 224. Make sure that when you turn in your exit ticket today that you've double checked your answers. Good luck.